Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do a DIY oil change on the 2019 Toyota RAV4, and I'm gonna do an oil change today, so come along and watch how's the oil been changed here. The oil requirement for this vehicle is 0W16 engine oil dipstick, and that's the cap that you put oil in. This is where you check your oil. Pull that out. First of all, you have to jack your car. And on this one, I jack on the side, from the side, and in order to get to the oil pan and the oil filter down here. At first, you have to take this cover off. And here's the oil pan. And here's the oil filter. You unscrew it on the oil pan, and now the oil going to the dirty oil pan down here. So it's pretty dark. It's time for oil change. And as soon as it all drain out, then I'll open up the oil filter. I use a 10 millimeter for these screw that hold the cover, and I use a 14 for the oil bolt here. And that's the only socket that you need for this oil change. Let's put a 65 millimeter tool here to open up the oil filter. So I got this from Walmart. It's a Hyper Tough brand at Walmart. So this is the perfect for the oil filter to do the job. And this is the new one bought from Walmart. It's the TG4967. That's the number for the oil filter. Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive XLE. There's the oil I use, the Mobil one, 0W16. The synthetic, full synthetic. And I use Mobil one for all my vehicles. They run perfectly like new. I love it. Here is, you put some fresh oil into the rubber seal here, so it's easy to mount back into it and tight squeeze so it won't leak. You always want to hand tight. You don't want to use any tool, because the next time it will be a lot harder for you to lose the oil filter. So my recommendation, always use hand tight for the oil filter. Well, I lie about this one. This one is pretty narrow in here, and I can't really hand tight that tight in here, so I use my tool to tight a little bit, not too much torque. So we're done with the oil drain here, so we're gonna put new oil in. And I forgot to put this cover back in, so I had to jack up the card again to put this cover back. And this is how it looks when you put back together. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the reset on your maintenance notification. So you go setting here and you go vehicle setting. There you go. And then you go on to the scheduling maintenance and you go reset data, press yes, and the reset is complete. And that's how you do your maintenance reminder message reset for the next time. Okay guys, I got about full quart in there, a little bit over full quart, and it's good to go.